Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Sport in bright white. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 52,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, command track part-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, Sky One Touch power top, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7681.